Hi folks, this morning I'm out on the GS 1250 adventure and we have fitted to the bike the Karoo3 tyres. I'm just out trying them this morning to see what I think, to see what they're like more on the road than off the road, to see if they're noisy, to see what the road holding's like. To be fair, it's a really nice day today, so there's not going to be any wet riding as such, so we'll just put them through the paces and see what they're like. I'll just turn you around so you can see the profile of the tyres and then you'll know what we're working with. So these are the tyres, they're quite chunky, sort of I would say a 70-30 tyre. Should be okay for light off-road work, I would imagine, but it's more to see if they do in fact sing as you're going along the road, particularly if you're travelling at higher speeds on the motorway. So let's give them a try and see what we think. So that's about it. That's the test. It seems a really good tyre on the road. It doesn't make a lot of noise on the motorway and seems to hold the road pretty well in dry conditions. Generally, they seem to be a really good tyre. So trying them next time on some green lanes and see how we get on then. So hope to see you again soon.